Write the numbers that come after the number given. So I'm going to start with 45 and count on. 45, 46, 47. I'm adding 1 each time. Write the numbers that come after the number given. 16, 17, 18. Write the numbers that come before the number given. Well, I'm going to get rid of 1, so this is 66, 65, 30, 33, 32. Tom has a bucket of magnetic letters. He pulled the letters below from the bucket. Write a true statement about the letters he pulled out of the bucket. Okay, so I'm looking at these letters. I could say he pulled the letter A out of his bucket. I could say he pulled the letter 3 K's out of his bucket. I could say he pulled 2 L's out of his bucket. I could say he pulled 1 P out of his bucket. There are lots of true statements I can make. Jenny bought a lollipop at the store. She got 10 cents back from the cashier. Draw Jenny's change. Again, this has multiple answers. I could draw a dime. I could draw 2 nickels. I could draw a nickel and 5 pennies. I could draw 10 pennies. Any of those would have been the correct answer. And I'm not going to draw the 10 pennies right now. Linda has 9 crayons in her backpack. Robert has 12 crayons in his backpack. Which picture shows Robert's crayons? Okay, so the first thing we need to know is we don't really care about Linda's crayons. They're nice, she has them in her backpack, but we're not looking for that. We're looking for just Robert. Then we're going to look for Robert's 12 crayons. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are Robert's 12 crayons. Circle the picture that shows how to correctly measure the tadpole. Okay, so I've got 2 pictures here. This one has huge gaps between the stars. They're not next to each other. This one has the stars next to each other. I know this is the correct way to measure the tadpole because I see the start and end are the same as the tadpole, and we're measuring next to each other. We're not having huge gaps. Explain why the length of the shoe is not 6 keys. I know the length of the shoe is not 6 keys because this key is sideways instead of flat, so it's not being represented correctly. All the other keys, you're just seeing the circles. You're not seeing the full keys. So this one is throwing off that measurement. How many stars long is the tadpole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice I stopped at 5, not 6, because the tadpole is not over here. How many paper clips tall is the glue stick? I'll draw my lines first to help me remember I'm only measuring this piece. 1, 2, 3. It is 3 paper clips long.